G'day guys, today we're building the stepping stones. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. This is a fairly simple one, so you can make sure that the tops of the tyres that are going to be sitting out of the ground are nice and clean, have no cuts or any metal sticking out of them at any points. Now we're going to figure out where we want to place our tyres in relation to each other and the rest of the playground, and making sure that there's going to be enough space so that the smaller children are able to use them as stepping stones. And then we'll just mark them out on the ground as we need. So we've just had the guys digging the holes, and now we're getting them to fill in that earth really tightly. So you want to pack that in as tight as possible so they're really heavy and dense with that soil, and then you can use a lot of water as well to make sure that that's tightly compacted. We're going to be using these stepping stones as a pathway leading up to the four-way seesaw. This one's so simple but so effective. So you can grab these downloadable instructions from the Playground Ideas website, keep them on site with you, and they explain step by step really simple diagrams showing you the tools and materials you're going to need for each one. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.